Which fruits and vegetables should I include in my diet for more beautiful skin? Women in the perimenopausal or menopausal stage, or those frequently exposed to heat, dust, and other pollutants, are prone to dull, darkened, and aging skin. In addition to using suitable skincare products, a balanced diet avoiding excessive sugar and refined carbohydrates can help protect the skin and prevent premature aging. You should include fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and minerals to help prevent damage and promote skin recovery. Here are some examples of fruits and vegetables beneficial for your skin. Ripe papaya, rich in antioxidants, vitamins A, C, K, and other essential minerals that are good for the skin. Avocado, packed with omega-3 fatty acids with anti-inflammatory properties, as well as other essential vitamins and nutrients that help remove dead cells, moisturize, and beautify the skin. Blueberries, full of vitamins A and C and antioxidant anthocyanins that protect the skin and combat stress. Full of vitamins A and C and antioxidant anthocyanins, blueberries can enhance skin's beauty. Pomegranate, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that promote beautiful, radiant skin. Nuts, provide plenty of vitamin E, which helps repair skin tissue, keep it moisturized, protect it from UV damage, and supply anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids to skin cells. Spinach, contains antioxidants and is rich in vitamin C, which helps firm and smooth the skin. Watercress, full of vitamins A and C and antioxidants that neutralize harmful free radicals and help prevent wrinkles. Bell peppers, high in vitamin C, which aids collagen production, promotes regeneration, and helps heal skin wounds. Sweet potatoes, supply vitamin A, increase skin elasticity, and promote cell turnover for softer skin. In addition, to have beautiful skin, you need to drink plenty of water, get enough sleep, avoid smoking, and limit alcohol and stimulants. Adding natural extracts like cherry blossom extract, red pomegranate extract, fern extract to your diet can help combat aging factors and reduce dark melanin for brighter, smoother skin too. Dr. Tran T. Tra Phuong, NutriHome Nutrition Clinic System.